Unlocking your purpose is a powerful way to set aligned goals, ramp up motivation, and feel more fulfilled in life. With your purpose to guide you, it's easier to make decisions. It's easier to distinguish between the opportunities which are right for you and those that aren't too. Finding your purpose can take time. It requires some soul searching and deep thought. What's more, your purpose can change with time as you really collect more experiences and discover new things that you love. But whatever it takes to get clarity over your purpose, it is more than worth it. With purpose as your compass, life can just flow a little bit easier. So I ask you, what's your purpose? If you don't know, take some time this week to think about it. If you do, it will become your North Star to your success.